Hello.
Let's practice English.
Do you think in your language, then translate?
Yes, all the time.
And then you get stuck.
Yes, I stop speaking.
Your brain feels slow?
Very slow.
Don't worry, you are not alone.
Really?
Yes, many people do this.
Oh, that feels better.
Today, we fix this problem.
Yes, let's think in English.
So Mia, how was your day?
Good, but my brain is tired.
Why tired?
Too much thinking in two languages.
That is hard.
Yes, very confusing.
So what is the problem?
We translate in our head.
Yes,
First we think, then change to English.
that takes time.
And we feel nervous.
Let me ask you,
Yes?
when you speak, do you pause a lot?
Yes, many pauses.
That is translation.
Oh,
Small story time.
I like this.
One day, I met a friend.
Okay,
I wanted to say something.
and
I thought in my language first.
then?
I stopped. I forgot words.
Oh no,
I said nothing.
that is sad.
So what should we do?
Yes, tell me.
Think simple.
Simple?
Yes, very simple. Example,
Okay.
don't say big sentence. Just say, I am hungry.
Oh, easy.
No translation needed.
That is true.
Repeat with us.
Ready?
I am hungry.
Good.
Again.
I am hungry.
See? Fast speaking.
No fear.
Now another example.
Yes.
You want water.
Okay.
Don't think long.
Then?
Just say, I want water.
Very easy.
Real situation.
Tell me.
You are in a shop.
Yes.
You feel nervous.
Yes.
What do you say? Say, I want this.
Oh, simple.
No translation.
Just speak.
Funny moment.
I am ready.
One time, I tried to translate.
And?
I said, I am eating my head.
What?
Wrong meaning.
Very funny.
I wanted to say, I am confused.
Oh no.
So, lesson?
Don't translate.
Yes. Now useful sentence.
Okay.
I don't know.
Very useful.
Repeat.
I don't know.
Mia, ask me something.
What is your favorite food?
I don't know.
Easy answer.
Another sentence.
Yes.
Let me think.
Good one.
Repeat.
Let me think.
This helps you.
Yes. More time.
Now question.
Tell us.
Do you translate in your head?
Write yes or no.
Another story.
Go on.
My friend tried English.
And?
He stopped every 2 seconds.
Why?
He was translating.
Oh.
I told him,
What?
speak small sentences.
Did it work?
Yes, he improved. Now practice time.
Let's go.
Repeat.
Ready.
I am tired.
Good.
Again.
I am happy.
Nice. I am busy.
Perfect.
No translation needed.
Just feel the sentence.
Funny moment too.
Tell me.
My friend said, I am doing party.
Oh no.
Wrong.
Correct is
I am having a party.
yes.
Small change, big meaning.
Very important.
Now mid-video task.
Yes.
Write in comments, I am learning English.
Do it now. We are waiting.
Now another tip.
Tell me.
Think in pictures.
Pictures?
Yes.
How?
See food, say food.
Oh, not translate.
Yes, direct thinking. Try now.
Okay.
See water,
Water.
see phone.
Phone.
Good. Now real life example.
Yes.
Morning time.
Okay.
You wake up.
Yes.
Say, I wake up.
Simple.
Then,
Next.
I brush my teeth.
Easy.
Step by step thinking.
No translation.
Now, practice again.
Ready.
I wake up.
Good.
I eat food.
Nice.
I go out.
Perfect.
You are thinking in English.
That feels good.
Now tips.
Let's go.
Tip 1. Use simple words.
Very important.
Tip 2. Speak daily.
Even 5 minutes.
Tip 3. Don't translate.
Think direct.
Tip 4. Repeat sentences.
Practice more.
Now speak with us.
Yes.
I can speak English.
Good.
I am improving.
Nice.
I am not afraid.
Strong.
Say it again.
Yes.
I am not afraid.
Confidence.
Now pause.
Try 2 sentences.
Speak out loud.
Do it now.
Quick recap.
Today we learned
Don't translate.
speak simple.
Think in English.
Use short sentences.
Practice daily.
Final question.
Yes. Do you translate in your head?
Tell us in the comments.
Thank you for watching.
You are doing great.
Keep practicing.
Speak every day.
Like this video.
Subscribe now.
See you soon.
Bye.